Hello friends, Sam here. So today I will be taking one question. I want to leave current company by learning Mule 4. So IT professionals look at industry and they know that Mule 4 is a hard skill nowadays. Okay, so they ask many IT professionals, they ask this question that I do have some experience in IT industry in some technology, maybe in Java, TIPCO or any other technology, and they wanted to change the company desperately and they wanted to use Mule 4 as vehicle for that. Okay, so let me tell you one thing friends, do not change two things at a time. So in this situation you are actually changing two things. One, you are changing your company. Another thing, you are changing the skill set as well. You are cross skilling also to Mule 4, don't do that. It might be quite risky for you. So instead of that, you follow another safe path. What I suggest, you check out in your current company. Okay, suppose you are desperate to cross skill yourself, then you check out in your current company that in which projects Mule 4 is getting used. Then you talk to HR, talk to your manager, talk to other manager of Mule 4 project, check the IGPs, internal job postings, and make sure that smoothly you make the transition from current project to Mule project by cross skilling yourself. It will be easy for you to stay in the current company and cross skill. Then maybe you can spend 1 or 2 years on the Mule project in the company and then you can very well switch the company, right? But two things changing at a time, I'll not recommend that. Okay, if you are desperate to change your company, then do not think about cross skilling. Even if I come from Mule 4 background and all, I'll not suggest you to cross skill yourself to Mule 4. Suppose you are in database, suppose you are in Java, stay in that technology and try to find job in the industry in the same technology, and then maybe in future you can cross skill yourself. If you are desperate to change your skill, then you just cross skill yourself and find the project in Mule 4 in your current company. That will be easy for you, right? In case if you want to change both, then maybe some drastically different plan you have to follow. So I suggest, in case if you want to change both, you want to change skill as well as you wanted to change your company desperately, then I suggest that book a one-to-one call with me. Okay, so every afternoon I take one-to-one half an hour, 45 minutes call free of cost. You can join the call, you can tell me your problem, and with my experience, whatever solution is there, I can very well suggest to you. Okay, so I am giving my contact details below. Try to find some form also in the description, fill that form, and there will be appointment booked with me. Okay, so that career clarity call will be game changer for you friends. Okay, so see you in that call if you need that. Otherwise, don't change two things at a time, just change only one thing. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video friends. Thank you.